is Sherry from Twitter Painted with Paper. Thank you so very much for dropping in today. I am so excited to be able to share with you the December Club La La Land Crafts Reveal. This month's kit is all about knitting, crocheting, and cats. As always, your kit will come to you in a beautiful padded envelope, and check out the color of this month's kit. Isn't it beautiful? Inside the envelope will be your deeply etched red rubber foam mounted stamps. And in this kit, we have Knitting Marci and then the Knit Happens stamp set, which includes 3 darling kitties who are having way too much fun with the yarn, it looks like. There are also 8 dies included. There is a knitted panel, a yarn basket, a large ball of yarn, a small ball of yarn, 2 knitting needles, and then a crochet hook. The sentiments included in this month's kit are Wool Always Be Friends, This Is How I Roll, Knit Happens, You're a Close-Knit Friend, Yarn Goddess, and Take Time to Unwind. Every month, the kit value is anywhere between $65 and $80, and this month it is actually $80.99, so check out that deal. When initially subscribing, you'll be given 3 subscription options. Number 1 is the stamps only option for $19.99. Number 2 is the dies only option for $29.99. And number 3 is everything for $39.99. That is the whole kit and caboodle, and it is truly the very best option. Also included in your kit will be exclusive tutorials that the design team has created just for you, and you will be able to access them by following the link included on the graphic card that comes with your kit. Okay, so now I get to share with you the 2 cards that I made with this month's kit. For my first card, I have Marci sitting on a window seat. Her back cushion was made with a knitted panel die, and then sprawled across her lap a bit is one of the kittens included in the kit. And if you have cats, you know they like to sprawl across your lap. I love the expression on this cat's face as it looks to me like he didn't intend to get all tangled up into Marci's yarn. And then next to Marci is a yarn basket full of different balls of yarn, and then 2 knitting needles, which I cut from silver glitter cardstock. My pattern paper is from the Home for Christmas paper pack, which was just released this month. And although it is Christmas paper pack, it has a ton of paper with knit patterns, so it's perfect for pairing with this month's kit. I've also included the sentiment, Knit Happens, which I thought was perfect for this card. And for my second card, I have Marci next to a basket full of mischievous kittens who are getting themselves into all kinds of trouble, while poor Marci is just trying to get a bit of relaxation in while knitting, and I'm not so sure how that's working out for her. So I added the Take Time to Unwind sentiment. Alrighty, that is everything from me. You will have until December 31st to subscribe. And I know for me that this time of year can be pretty hectic, so it may be a good idea to just go ahead and subscribe right now. I will have that link to the subscription page below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.